Namaste. My name is Kunjal Vipani. I am studying in FY BCom in STJ International College. My roll number is 903 and division is H.
Today we are going to learn about the Mediclaim policy in detail. What is Mediclaim policy? Mediclaim policy is an agreement whereby insurance company agrees to undertake a guarantee of compensation for medical expenses in case the insured falls ill or meets with an accident which leads to hospitalization of the insured. Generally, insurance companies have tie-ups with the leading hospitals so as to provide cashless treatment to the insured. In case the insurance company has no tie-ups with the hospital, they reimburse the cost of expenses incurred by the insured. The government also promotes health insurance by providing a deduction from income tax. Importance of Mediclaim. Buying a Mediclaim policy for yourself and your family is important because medical care is expensive, especially in the private sector. Hospitalization can burn a hole in your pocket and derail your finances. It will become even tough if the person who brings in the money is now in a hospital bed. All this can be avoided by just paying a small annual premium, which would lessen your stress in case of medical emergencies. A good Mediclaim policy would usually cover expenses made towards doctor consultation fees, costs towards medical tests, ambulance charges, hospitalization costs, and even post-hospitalization recovery costs to a certain extent. Types of Mediclaim policies. Number 1. Individual Mediclaim policy. This policy covers the health expenses and hospitalization expenses of individual who has taken the policy. Premium under this policy is determined as per the age of insured. Number 2. Family Mediclaim Plan. Under this policy, an individual can include all the family members against multiple diseases under a single cover. Family Health Plan offers a fixed sum assured for the family members, which can be availed by all members of the family or by any one individual in the family. Number 3. Senior Citizen Mediclaim Policy. This policy is designed for the senior citizens or individual all over 60 years of age, offering protection from health issues during old age. Number 4. Surgery and Critical Illness Policy Plan. This plan is suitable for the insured that requires treatment against critical illness such as kidney failure, paralysis, cancer, heart attack, etc. As the medical expenses of these treatments are very high, the premium applicable to these types of policies is also high. Number 5. Maternity Mediclaim Policy Plan. This policy covers costs including pre- and postnatal care, child delivery expenses of newborn babies. This policy is also covered for the newborn up to a certain period of time as mentioned in the plan. Ambulance costs are also covered. Number 6. Personal Accident Plan. This policy covers hospitalization expenses in the event of an accident. Premium amount is depending upon the amount of cover taken. Number 7. Unit Linked Health Plan. These plans offer a unique combination of insurance and savings both at the same time. This policy helps in building a corpus which can be used to meet those expenditures which are not covered by the insurance policy. How to select the right Mediclaim policy? It's difficult to select the best Mediclaim policy as all Mediclaim company provides a similar type of Mediclaim plan. Hence, some of the important points that any person should look before purchasing any plans are: Number 1. Sum assured. Number 2. Minimum entry age and renewability clause. Number 3. Room rent capping. Number 4. Inclusion and exclusion. Number 5. No claim bounds. Number 6. Other benefits. So guys, now I hope you understand Mediclaim policy in detail.
That's it for now. This is Kunjal and have a good day.